So it seems like Samsung is in a hurry to launch its Galaxy Note 9. Do you think Note 9 will have an in-display fingerprint scanner? Let's find it together. So there are some live images of Samsung Galaxy Note 9 that were leaked at BDL Leaks today. The first image shows a comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S9 and the upcoming Note 9. Note 9 is huge as compared to S9, which was expected, but the top and the bottom bezel on the Note 9 look very minimal. The second image shows the Note 9's S Pen. The new S Pen in Note 9 is going to be improved a lot and is going to be a lot precise. The third image shows the back of the phone. There is no fingerprint sensor on the back. This does mean that Samsung was successful in placing that fingerprint sensor inside the display, as they are not going to completely remove the fingerprint sensor like the Apple. It will have a dual camera setup very similar to Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, with that heart rate sensor and blood pressure sensor just below the camera flash. These images look genuine, but the source of these images is not legit. So take these images with a pinch of salt until we get some more information from a trusted source. For that, stay connected to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. And that's all for today. I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. Until then, peace.